Stop up about your suitcase.
Why? Why? You're right. Why?
Mom just called and said nobody know the home with her. And Jody not got the home for the week. Jody dey on a new job and she have to go inside. Okay, so you take me for idiot. I hear you laugh with her too. You laugh. Yeah, you feel like 3 points. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna prank her back right now. So, we reach at the destination and everything. Just carry up a suitcase. But I'm gonna make sure you know, say, sadly, babe, I have to go back home because I have to spend a week with my mother, you see me? Because nobody now going to do with her. Yes, I have to draw for the mother card because everybody knows my mom just come out of the hospital and somebody has to really and truly stay with her every step of the way. But I'm going to make sure you know so we have to cancel the vacation. So, I know say this is going to break her heart, but guess what? We don't care over here. Because if you diss the squad have to clap back. You ever see them clash there with artists? If you diss me, I have to answer back. And one thing with me tell you all the while, I drink my soup when it's hot and cold. I don't wait too long. You see what I say? So, I make sure you know, so baby, I forgot to cancel our vacation plans. The reason why I know it I go make you feel that way because I was put off it because of things that we have to do. So I'm going to make sure you know, say this I go on and I know so she go feel hurt, but she go just comply with it because it's my mom. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. Even mommy. Oh yeah. So wait, Jody now the home. Oh. Oh, you know, so I just left out of that place. Oh, God. Maybe just left out of my place and I said, alright, I enjoy their plans, but alright, I go. In the night, I go reach back though. Yo, John. Babe. Babe. Stop up about your suitcase.
Why? Why? You're right. Why?
Mom just called and said nobody know the home with her. And Jody not got the home for the week. Jody dey on a new job and she have to go inside. Yeah.
Babe, you not tell her how far you're there?
I'm not telling her how far, baby. They will call her and ask me if she know afterward.
Damn. Oh, boy. Baby,
Baby, I'm sorry for disappointing.
Babe, just tell her how far you're there.
You
tell her how far you're there?
No, I can't. You want me to tell her?
Yes.
Oh, babe, she said Jody not go to home. I know look at the
long?
1 week.
Oh my God.
Unless you want to stay and come
Babe,
back.
me I don't wanna go stay.
You want.
But just I put on and say we're ready to go get something to eat and this I go come with babe.
You can still get to the feet.
We need this, babe, we need this. We've been just so caught up in everything.
Well, next week they will come back.
Next week when we already pay.
Oh, remember that for that. I forgot. Probably can ask them for a refund.
Every money, everything pay up already, everything gets
So
done.
we can refund.
How we have a refund?
You buy how they ask me back for money and we not tell you.
People understand the situation and you ever said this?
Yeah, man, I say, alright, you want me to pay you back your money after?
No.
Just, no, babe.
Babe, what have to do? What have to do?
No, babe. Yeah, babe.
It's alright, what have to do? What have to do?
Okay, no. Babe, I don't mean, babe, you know, say I'm going to the home, you know. You know, say I'm going to the home. And nobody else not be there, babe, but you know, say I'm here to get caught on. And this, as I say, you want, but
I don't want to stay alone, Jason. I said, but what have to do? What have to do?
maybe you can take picture in a pool and post and
Babe, that's not what I want.
I mean, anytime.
Yes, we need it. We've been just up and down and so caught up in everything there. There's so much work to get done back at home. There's so much to think about. We need the time off. We need it.
Yeah,
We need to be around friends. We need to be around somebody who make us laugh. Like, we just go so.
but don't tell the woman say what she want the home. I mean, don't tell her say I'll come.
I guess you're not sweat it.
Maybe I promise you next week I come back.
It's alright.
Hello, this Jackie. Maybe next week for sure.
It's alright.
Maybe next week, babe. Look at the man, babe. Look, I don't like when you're disappointed, no man. Next week.
Good God, dear. My good God, at the end of the day, we have to do what we have to do. Not your stuff then. Until we are good and we can get food. Everything happens for a reason.
Alright, babe. Let's carry down this. Let's drag it to the steps part. Come here, you can't manage this. See. Me carry down the rest of stuff then.
Maybe I don't carry them food. Just give me some little bag them.
Yeah. I try to show you.
Babe, just give me some little bag
I get
them.
frustrated in me.
Babe, me not get frustrated.
I know, alright.
You don't understand how I feel. I mean, me not gonna say no, but you must understand the situation.
Just tell them what I'm saying.
You never tell them?
No, babe, mommy just come in the choir.
She's just so sad.
Why I put the suitcase?
You just carry down here.
Baby, that sound like you're not manage, babe. Babe, why you crying? Yo, brute, yo, come here. Come here, yo, backside. Yo, brute, yo. Yo, brute, yo. Alright, you know what that mean? You know what this mean, man? Come here. Cause you love to ramp, you know. You love to ramping, man. What that mean? What this mean? See how long? You need to put the suitcase to go in and carry back. Babe, that is a prank. Don't play with the squad. The squad will play with you.